In today's video, we are going to learn how to make this circular drill plate in Fusion 360. First of all, we'll go to the new page, new design, go to the plus sign, we'll get new page. After that, we'll select the XZ plane, go to the create sketch, and we'll make a circle here of dia 120. From middle, we'll make 120. Okay. Now again, we'll make a circle of 100. Okay. Now again, we'll make circle of 70. Okay. Now again we'll make of 40 and 10, 20. Okay. Now we'll go to the construction and select this circle and go to the construction. Okay. This also make construction. Okay. Now we'll go to the circle again, go to the middle and make here 10, dia 10. First remove this construction option, select this circle and remove construction. Okay. Now go to the circle, remove this and make circle of dia 10. Okay, again here we will make circle of dia 10. Okay, now we will go to the create option and go to the circular pattern. Here object is this circle and center point is this circle and make 6. Press enter. Same thing done on this 2 circle also. Go to the circular pattern, select this object and center point is this big line, big circle and press 6 enter. Okay, now again we'll go to the create option, go to the circular pattern. Our object is this and center point is big circle. Okay, press 6 from the keyboard and enter. Now we will delete this all the other circles, construction circles. Okay, now we'll go to the finish sketch. Simply select this, press E from the keyboard for extrude and press 10 from the keyboard and enter. See, our drawing is fully ready. For getting more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.